Alright, today we're going to look at the Saku Portable Power Station. I'm probably saying that wrong, so please forgive me.
Suaoki.
Is that how you say it? Okay. So this is actually my second one. The first one worked so good, my family members kept stealing it from me. You know, they were using it to charge their phones, tablets, computers, you name it. You know, which is fantastic because it gets us one step closer to that off-grid, self-reliant lifestyle we want to live. And this is just one of those baby steps to get there. So anyway, let's take a look at what's in the box. So first off, you've got your operator's manual. Just kind of gives you a quick product overview. Obviously how to operate it, how to plug stuff in and charge it, how to hook it up to a solar panel, which I'm going to show you. Now you see as I take it out of the box, it kind of gives you a reference to the size of it. About the size of a football, probably weighs maybe 2.5 pounds. Really lightweight, portable. It does have handles on it. You can pretty much carry it with you anywhere. So one of the nice things when you do get it, it does come fully charged. So it kind of gives you a chance to instantly just take it out of the box and play with it and just see exactly what it can do. Now here in the black box, you've got all your accessories. Now first thing you'll notice in the box, the little thank you card. Now this is also your warranty card. So be sure to go online and register it and don't lose that card. Next you'll see a car adapter or the old school cigarette lighter. This way you can plug it in and charge it while you're driving. So this is just the opposite of the one I just showed you. So if you have any devices that still have that old school cigarette adapter type, this will charge it. Now this cable here, this is the one you would just plug into your wall. So plug it into the wall, plug it into your portable power unit, and let her charge. You're good to go. Now this last connection is by far the one I use the most. Now this is your MC4 solar charging cable. I have a Saoki. Yeah, I get it. 100-watt solar panel. So this will be the one you use to plug right into the solar panel and then right into the power unit. Now as we kind of take a look at everything that came in the box, notice that I call it a power unit. They call it a portable solar generator. It technically is not a generator, but anyway. Here's how you plug in to the power unit itself. You'll notice that there are two lights, kind of looks like a smiley face, super bright. Hit it again and it'll flash for you. You'll notice 4 DC connections on this side of it. And here's where you would plug in your cigarette adapter for charging items, which I'll show you here momentarily. And here is the power for your DC adapter for your car. Just plug it in right there above the light. And then your wall unit, just plug it in, good to go. Pretty simple, easy to use. And on this side is your USB ports, and this one right here is going to be your favorite one. This is a super fast charge. I'll give a little demo here. Now here's your AC outlets. Now you do have to turn this on. It doesn't automatically pick it up when you plug stuff in like you would on the USB port. So you have to turn on the power to charge anything you plug in on this side. And there's the lights that shows full power. And here is the bottom, give you all the specs if you really want to look into it. Now here's the phone demo of the fast charging port. Sorry, my phone is a little bit out of focus. It's about 41% at this time. It's about 643. We're gonna plug it into that fast charging port and we'll give it about 7-8 minutes and see what happens, see how much charge we get out of it. can see there in this still picture, 7 minutes, gave me about 8%, 7-8%, so 1% a minute basically is what you get out of this thing. And here is a lantern that I'm going to charge. I'm going to use the DC, the cigarette adapter. And actually I got this at a secondhand store. I think I paid $3-4 for it. It's rechargeable. So I wasn't sure if it worked. You figure a couple bucks, what are you going to lose, you know? So let's give it a little bit of juice and see if we can get it to work. Boom, there you go. Got a great lantern, works, charged it for free. Take this with me down when we go camping next time. So as you can see here in this picture, I'm actually running my computer off of it. I did everything in this video off of solar power, so I guess this is a green video. Completely off the grid, power from the sun, can't beat it, right? The camera that I used, I also charged off of it. The microphone I'm speaking into right now is being run off of it. So this video is solar powered, which is pretty cool, and you get all that power out of this little box. Alright, here we are outside. So as you can see, there's my 100-watt panel. Use those MC4 cables, hook that thing right up, plug it in, and it's good to go. Operator's manual says about 7-8 hours, so we'll give it a little bit of test here. It's about 4 or 5 hours in right now. We're going to go outside and give it a check. So just a little more time and it'll be 100%. So this just kind of gives you an idea of what this thing can do, how easy it is to use. I highly recommend it. I take it with me when we go camping. We use it around the house. We'll charge all of our phones. It's a great little device. I highly recommend it. And we have more videos coming, so please subscribe. We're building off the grid right now, so there's more coming.